Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today I am working with double stuffed balloons and my staircase, kind of prepping my staircase for festivities. My original plan was to get green garlands, but I ordered way too late and it's not gonna arrive by Christmas. Anyways, balloons, here we go. I saw this design, this install floating around the internet for a few years now. Originally, I saw it on Instagram. I didn't take a screenshot of it to kind of know who's the original creator. After a couple of years, I saw this install floating around again, so I got heavily inspired again by this install, and I am grabbing the idea and creating something for myself, for my home. I found the picture, but this picture was taken from Pinterest and it's not from an original creator. So this is a setup that I fell in love. Come on, focus. It's a very, very beautiful light gray color with lots of greens and a pop of red as berries. Let me show you what I will be using. I will be using double stuffed balloons. As I said a little bit earlier, I took Tuftex white, whatever I had on hand, and fog from Tuftex, and I double stuffed these balloons. Fog inside of white, and I am using different sizes, 17, 11, 5-inch balloons. And on Amazon, I found these gorgeous, beautiful looking stems that are frosted and flocked. They are so full and they are absolutely gorgeous. Obviously, this is flattened. Always, when you're creating something with flowers, make sure you are fluffing your flowers to make sure everything looks nice and neat and as organic and full as possible. My tip for you guys. Everything that I will be using in this video will be linked in the description under this video, so go ahead and check it out. Balloons are ready and they look absolutely gorgeous. I wanted to show you the difference between the colors. Right here I have the inner layer, so the gray balloon inside, deflated, and you can see a difference between single stuffed white balloon and the double stuffed with gray. Okay, let's start assembling this. Nothing extraordinary here. I'm taking my clusters and connecting them by the necks of balloons. Let's do this. Balloon garlands in my house for myself, I always think about functionality of the space. For example, I really love when I can hold on to the railing and actually go down stairs and hold on to the railing. Right here, I did exactly it. It looks like the railing is hidden, but we still can grab onto it and go down. Also, I made several balloon garlands in this section of my house next to the staircase or on the staircase, and I always would go down with balloons all the way down or on a side. That whatever I did here going down or on a side would always close my mirror, and whenever we dress and we want to look at ourselves before heading out of the house, this mirror is always blocked by balloons, so making sure that my mirror is completely opened and ready to use. So that way this balloon garland will not get on my nerves super fast, and it will hang here for quite a while. that's all I have for you guys today. This is my final setup. Absolutely love this very light gray color, matches my walls super well. I love the flocked snowy branches in there. I love the hanging branches as well, and that pop of red just makes the whole setup. I love little bows that I created with a thinner ribbon. It adds a little bit more of that charm, I guess, Christmassy charm, because it's always bows and red ribbons. I absolutely love how it's not your typical full balloon garland that goes from one end to the very bottom. So really love a cluster of balloons over there. It reminds me kind of like of a snowy cloud. And yeah, you guys, let me know in the comment section below what you guys think, and I hope you enjoyed this setup, and Merry Christmas all.